Hey everybody, it's Sunday afternoon, about 5:30. I had an inspection earlier today. Nothing special. Got it done, got the report out, and I'm just gonna sit back and I think I'm gonna barbecue some salmon and some New York strip steaks. No restaurants for me today. So let's check it out, see how it's doing. All right, let's take a peek here. See what we got. We got some sockeye salmon. Got that from Costco. And we got some New York strip steak here. Actually, it's my favorite cut. I know a lot of guys like the ribeyes, but a little bit too fatty for me. I know what fat is, what the taste is, but I prefer New York strip. So that's the afternoon here. Hope everybody's having a good time, enjoying the weekend. Have a good one and have a safe one. All right, talk to you guys soon. Oh, last minute, I decided to add some fresh zucchini and tricolor bell peppers as well. So that complements the salmon and steak. Alrighty.